Okay, so we are here today to show you how to do a batch upload of documents from Microsoft Office into Google Docs. And you only want to do it this way if you have several documents you'd like to upload at the same time. You can see I have this whole list right here of Microsoft Word docs I want to upload. And also, you should only do this if you are interested in just converting everything to a Google Doc. You don't really want to store Microsoft anything in your Google Drive. If you only have one or two documents, or you really want to keep a hold of the Microsoft Office versions as well, then you should follow the instructions in the email you were sent. But if you want to convert a whole bunch of stuff and you just want to use it in Google Docs, then this is an easy way to do it. So you see I have my file right here that I want to upload. I'm going to go to my drive. Of course, I'm already logged in. And I want to come over here to Settings. And then I want to select Settings again. And I want to see this little box right here that says Convert Uploads. I want to check it. Okay, so I want to say that I want to convert everything that I upload to a Google Doc or a Google Slide, Google Sheet, all of that. And then I click Done. Now I'm ready to upload. I come over here to New, and I select Folder Upload, and I scroll through till I find my nonfiction subject list. That's what I'm interested in uploading today, and I click OK. And you can see it shows up. It takes a little bit for it to upload. My nonfiction folder is here now. If I go ahead and open it up, you'll notice that everything in it is now a Google Doc. There aren't any Microsoft Word documents. And I can go ahead and edit these and do what I need to with these. Alright, so that is how you do it. If you have any questions or you need more information, just go ahead and come and see us in the library. Thank you.